Starting off with candidate number 1.
Has been part of history, but only few can bear history itself. On this night of a spectacular public display, we gaze beyond history, and that's our story. Tonight, we celebrate human diversity and exert our sexuality. My name is Mika Ortega, all the way from the business capital of the Philippines, Makati City. And but tonight, please do allow me the image of Miss Bianca King. Bianca King na nag-iiwan ng pick-up line. Kuya, pader ka ba? Paihe. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 1.
Ang pumalakpak, asenso ang buhay. At ang humiyaw, pagpapalay ng may kapal. Thank you so much. Maya Angelou once said that people will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget what you made them feel. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan, or should I say, good evening, everyone. This is Lian Borromeo, a fresh and virgin 19-year-old stunner, all the way last from the great where benevolence exists, La Loma, Quezon City. Tonight, at this prestigious pageant, I am proudly wearing a festival costume that are intricately designed, adorned with colorful patterns, reflecting the City of Smiles, the Mascara Festival of Bacolod City! Tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of a woman who captured the hearts of Mr. Richie Rivera and Mr. Seth Fidelio. Ang makabagong ahas, Miss Andrea Brillantes. Miss Andrea Brillantes na nagsasabi, payat at maliit man ako sa inyong paningin. Ngunit, huwag niyong mamaliitin. Dahil sa ganitong uri ng patimpala, siya, ako'y tatata. So judges, mark my number because candidate number 2 is about to give you the best show. Good evening and happy Fiesta. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2.
palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawin dyan? Marami pong salamat. I always believe that the best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 21 years old listener. And I am very proud and humble because I am your recently crowned It's Showtime Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multiplex First Runner-Up. My name is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am truly all the way with the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ronnie Alante. Opo, tama po kayong lahat. Ako po si Amy at minsan si Baby sa Pira-Pirasong Paraiso. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay subukang palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang kawanges ni Binibining Loisa Andalio. And I always believe si Biz, Amar, Amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, I am your candidate number 3. Mark my number because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 3.
Up next, it's your turn to shine. Candidate number 4. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? You know what, ladies and gentlemen, has everything is the reason that I am here to break the silence of body shaming. Good evening, Sampala! This is Jasmine Atasha Santos. Yes, 20 years old stunning. From the Sampaloc, Manila. At nag-iwan po ako ng isang katagang. Yes po, tama po kayo. May isang chubby tatata. And thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4.
ito ang hiyawan, walang pilitan. Life is a celebration of man's victory, talent, and aspiration. Aspiring to be the luckiest candidate tonight, good evening, folks. Wearing the traditional that best represents where I came from. I am your Reynang Ibon, all the way from the sanctuary of our Philippine Eagle. I am from Davao City. My name is Jayzine Ramos, a graduate of Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in Content Education from Cebu Technological University, a humble scholar and a proud cum laude. Ladies and gentlemen, 8 years ago, I completed my profession. Due to discrimination, I hindered my ambition. But it was last year, I took a leap of faith, took the board exam. And this year, I am one of the lucky 77,777. Ika nga, ang swerteng 77,777 newly licensed professional teachers. I am here not to boast about my profession, but I am a testament that even if you are part of the LGBT community, you can penetrate and be a testament in the society's aspects. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight I will be representing the alluring beauty of Miss, ang nag-iisang kawangis po ni Miss RC Munoz. Palakpakan at sigawan po natin ang bawat kandidata ngayong araw na ito dahil andito po sila upang bigyan kayo ng kasiyahan. Ladies and gentlemen, have fun, enjoy the rest of the evening, and I love you all.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. Saya boleh tarik palangin ke atas langit. Saatnya akan tuliskan nama saya. Untuk semua bagaimana tahu berwarna-warni hidup seseorang anda. Or should I say, if I can fold the rainbow on the sky, I'm gonna put my name on it for the people to know how colorful the life of homosexuals. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. My name is Raisa Aguilon, and I'm 26 years old, stunner, all the way from the last ecological frontier of the Philippines, where you can find the biggest pearl in the world. And also, I'm wearing one of the Batak tribe of my province, Palawan. This is the Batak tribe. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to start by the name of your one and only, ang babae sa Badunay. Bakit hindi mo natin sabay-sabay hiyawan at palakpakan? Binibining Ina Raymundo. Ina Raymundo na nagsasabi, being again the society is the only thing people focus on. However, we tend to forget that we are all sinners. Therefore, nobody has a right to question your ability, capabilities, and where are your way of living of the society. As long as you don't trample on anyone's happiness in life, then you can be whatever and whoever you want to be. Again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ina Raymundo. Happy Fiesta. Enjoy the show. Thank you very much. Candidate number 6.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The little girl who's standing in front of you tonight is the little girl who named Jo Marie R. Castillo. Fresh and innocent, 14 years old summer, all the way last from the great Sampaloc, Manila. The costume that I'm wearing is inspired by Bilang Festival, or should I say, Paro-Paro o Butterfly Festival. Ngayong gabi, lalaban ako ng patas at hindi ako aatras. Dahil kailangan ko ng cash. That's all, and thank you. Oh, di ba?
Malayo ba po? Lalakit pinanggaling niya. Napakababa ng mikropono. Kandidata ka na, organizer ka pa. Pero lamang po sa ating mga organ. Now I finally got your attention. Happy! Ngayon ko lang po na magkanto dito sa lugar ng Sampaloc ay marami kutulog mo. Joke lamang po! Joke lamang po! But tonight, this is a beauty pageant distinguished panel board of judges, ma'am and sir. Let me introduce myself clearly to all of you. By the way, this is Cheska, Marie Illustrated Mirror Life, a 25-year-old singer healing all the way last, where you can celebrate and witness the Magsa Second Festival here in our country and the annual capital of the Philippines for municipality of Talavera, province of Nueva Ecija. But tonight, let me epitomize and copy the image of your one and only. I am your Miss Universe 2019. Wala po bang nagpakan at hiyawan para kay Binibining Zuzi Pinitinzi ng buwan niya. Akin ang gawin ito, tagahangal lamang namin kayo. And God, always to remember that the key essence of a beauty queen is to respect, to be loved, and to be accepted by what we call society. Thank you, and good afternoon. Naniniwala po ako na sa ganitong uri ng patimpala, hindi lamang po kagandahan ng ating binabatayan, bagkus sa bandang dulo, talento at talino na ang ating paglalabanan. Because I belong, ladies and gentlemen. Sige, kaya mo yan, te. Sige, sa pangatlong pagkakataon. Being a gay in this society is not to diminish our humanity. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing for is John, 24 years of age, graduate student at Pangasinan State University. Well, ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath. Because the baby is now a lady and ready to have a beautiful baby. The one and only, the sexiest, the loveless, the goddess. At the last but not the least, ang babae pong nasa inyo ay kauna-unang babae ng patibok. sa Buson, Mr. Oreo Boy Soto. By the way, my name is Roma Jesus Castillo Manalo at standby Rene of Miss Christine Hermosa. Christine Hermosa, na nagiliwal na nagsabi po sa inyo ng mga katotohanan kataga, hindi man po ako manalo sa gabi ito. Sa sigawan at palakpakan mo ay aking apong tropeyo. Tropeyo na aking barangay. Barangay 492. Dahil nyo ang kayo, mamatay kayo sa hindi.
Thank you very much. Ganyan ang costume na pang 20,000.
Nakakahinga. Ang hirap kumita ng pera. Ako po'y isang malikang hindi disusay kundi kusang gumagalaw. Nagatawang tao sa katawan ni Eva at si Eva ang nagatawang si Adan. Good evening ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ayesa Marceliana Gonzalez. But tonight, hayaan niyo pong pakilala ko sa inyo ang babae ng patibok sa puso ni Rambo Nunez. Opo, mga hurado, mga manonood, huwag na kayo magtaka kung bakit mataba ako. Tatandaan nyo, buntis si Maha. Mga Salvador na nag-iiwan na katagang, sa mga kalalakihan, huwag na kayong mambabae. Dahil, pag nambabae kayo, gagastos kayo. Pag nagpakasal kayo, gagastos kayo. Ako na lang ang piliin mo. Bukas, pag ako ang ginawa mo, may NMAX ka na, may 5,000 ka pa. At ang pinakilala mo ko sa barkada mo, bukas, lahat kayo may jersey. At pag pinagalandakan mo ko dito sa Sampaloc, Manila, bukas, may-ari ka na rin ng aking salon sa Frisco, Quezon City. Ay, thank you.
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Wala po bang ang pagkain dyan? Hore? Sa kapunta? Maraming salamat po. Many has been part of history, but only few can bend history itself on this night of spectacle and this public display. We transgenders bend history, and that will forever be our story. Maya, pabay po kaya kayo nga, should I say? A pleasant evening to each and everyone, to the honorable panel of judges. Now, sir, and to everyone who is watching, magandang gabi po. Standing before you is a fresh and innocent. I'm a 25-year-old stunner hailing all the way from Panikitarlac. I'm a graduate with a bachelor's degree in secondary education and a licensed teacher. This is Young love each other in real life, but tonight's affair, please, sino lang as I stand by the name? Bakit di po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang chinita princess, ang nag-iisang babae na nagsabi na bawal lumabas, bawal lumabas. Ang babae na nagtanong sa isang bulag kung ano nga ba ang kanyang paboritong pinapanood. Bakit di natin palakpakan si Binibining Kim? Maraming salamat po. And Miss Kim Chu, nag-iiwan ng isang kataga pag ang nanay mo ay ngumiti ng matamis. Sigurado, nagsweldo sa 4-piece. Pero pag si nanay palaging galit, panigurado, talo yan sa tongkit. An honorable panel, tonight I am very proud to say that my costume is inspired by one of the festivities of the Philippines, the Tambu Festival of Nueva Ecija. Thank you so much and enjoy the show.
Thank you so much, Charlie. Break your
Kung kasalanan lang po ang pagiging bakla, ngayon pa lamang po ay humihingi na ako ng isang kapatawaran. Ngunit kung aliw at saya ang hatid namin sa inyo, maaari ho ba akong manghingi ng isang masigabong palakpakan? Beauty is not all about the faces. Beauty is all of you have a beautiful heart, mindset, and beautiful soul. What a glamorous, spectacular evening to each and everyone. My name is Kendra Bunaga, and a fresh, and innocent 17 years old stunner, all the way last from the great and happiness, Sampaloc, Metro Manila. But this is a pageant. Please do allow me to stand by the name of your original Latina goddess, Miss Queen Bolong.
Talaga ba?
Queen Bolong na nag-iwan na isang kataga sa mabubuting balat at sa malalaking dibdib na pinagpipiestahan ng mga kalalakihan. Ngayong gabi, atin hong baguhin ang pamantayan ng kagandahan. Ang ganda ng ilan, sexy ng karamihan, tatapatan at papantayan, minsan pa nga po hihigitan ng baklang nasa inyong harapan. Dahil lagi niyong pakakatandaan, balat ko maniitim, huwag ninyong mamaliitin. Dahil sa ganitong uri ng patimbala, tiyak may negra ang tatatak. And if you have it, show it. Nang mamatay sila sa inggit. Happy Fiesta and enjoy the show.
Happy Fiesta candidate number
'Give a man a fish, and he will live for a day. But teach a man how to fish, he will live forever. We're a glorious evening, my dear friend, is standing
standing here in front of you is a fresh and indeed innocent 20 years old stunner, all the way last from the historical places of Tondo, Manila. My real name is Miss Angela Tolentino Mendoza in real life. Ngayong gabi po, hayaan niyo pong hiramin ko ang pagkababae ni Miss Alex Gonzaga.
Ay, shit ka mo pa!
Na nagsasabi, kung gusto mo ng boyfriend na hot, maghanap ka ng taong may lagnat. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 13. So you have to thank every candidate. Magsuot ang
Traveling almost 5.5 hours, we're presently reside at Cabanatuan City, province of Nueva Ecija. But then again, I'd like to say, maupay nga gabi hayo nga tanan Sampaloc, Metro Manila. It has been a decade, but then again, I'm just proud to be here once again. Ladies, palakpakan po natin ang mga organizer, ang mga sangguniang kabataan at ang barangay council. Maraming salamat po sa mainit na pagtanggap. My name is Matrica May Matmat Centino. I am an AB Mass Communication graduate from the late Normal University, where being a transgender woman in this society is not to diminish our humanity. Our only purpose in living is to love and to belong, to contribute and be prosperous. Originally and proud representing from the Wari-Wari community of Leyte and Samar, Philippines, distinguished panel of the Board of Judges, and ma'am, sir, and all audience, and let me stand by the name of your once a controversial, sexy blogger actress. Nagtatanong, meron ba kayong lemon?
Meron, marami na.
Gusto ko na! Ako'y tahimik lang sa umpisa. Ang iingay ng mga nauna. Joke. Kidding aside, it's a beautiful celebration of diversity in the line, of course, of the Fiesta celebration. But then again, I'd like to say and remind everyone, ang tunay na reyna, kahit kabuwanan niya, rumarampa pa. Kidding aside, once again, ang tunay na reyna, kailanman hindi nagbibilang kung ilang beses ka nang naputungan ng corona. Bagkus ang kapakumbabaan ng loob ang pinakamahalagang bagay, magsisilbi mong ligasiya, itaas o ibaba man ng entablado. Ano man ang mangyari, respetuhin kung ano lagi magiging resulta, celebrating other people's victory. That makes you a true queen. Be kind, be grateful, be patient, be respectful. Good evening, everyone! Malaki, mataba, payat, bata man o matanda, walang silbi ang iyong pagiging maganda. Let's just enjoy the night. God bless everyone from the bottom of my heart, and I
Love you.
and I no, I thank you, but then again, and I
Love you all. Thank you very much. Candidate number 14.